The Dualtron Storm steering damper from Mini Motors comes in its own branded box and can be fully assembled by just one person. The tools required for assembly are included in the box: a 5mm, a 4mm, and a 3mm wrench. These video instructions correspond to the instructions found in the product pictures, which can be found on dualtron.uk. Step 1. Using the 3mm hex wrench, insert the M4 by 25mm into the holes in the front bracket, which are recessed. Tighten to 3.5 Nm max. Do not over tighten. Step 2. Disassemble the two screws from the front of the deck to make room for the deck bracket. Place the deck bracket on two front screws of the deck. Using a 5mm hex wrench, tighten the M6 by 25mm hex screws. Make sure you tighten properly, since this component will have to withstand the entire force of the damper. Step 3. Take the ball end of the piston and insert the M8 by 30mm hex screws, making sure that it goes through the ball end, through the small black spacer, into the deck bracket. Using the 5mm hex wrench, tighten the M8 by 30mm screw. Step 4. Take the other M8 by 50mm hex screw, pushing it through the other end of the piston, through the long black spacer, into the front damper bracket. Step 5. Measure 47mm from the end of the piston to the piston bracket and tighten the two screws using a 4mm hex wrench. To adjust the distance to your liking, loosen those two screws, make your adjustment, and retighten the screws. Step 6. To adjust the hardness of the damper, turn the red knob left or right, adjust to the desired stiffness, and that's it. But do not try to do this while riding. For Dualtron replacement parts, mini motors, warranty information, and more on all of our products, visit dualtron.uk.